If you guys missed my last video, my family and I took an awesome vacation up to West Virginia. We saw some beautiful sights, did a bunch of hiking, and we even did a little thrifting along the way, looking for items to resell online for a profit. Profit that would actually help defer the cost of this trip. We found some really cool stuff, but you've only seen half the story. In this video, I'm going to break down the numbers and show you how much profit I think I can make on the stuff that we found, but also you're going to see me find the 2 best items that we found the whole trip. Check it out. West Virginia, day 4, except we're actually not in West Virginia. We're in Maryland, kind of doing some traveling, exploring some little small towns in Maryland and Pennsylvania. And we just happened to come upon a Goodwill. Totally unplanned, but these are usually the best stops. I'm not seeing any good shoes, but these are in rough shape. Those are only $5.99, $3.99. So yeah, shoe prices are, oh, wait a minute. Those are FootJoy women's shoes, golf shoes, $5.99. Yeah, I'm gonna grab those. They look basically brand new. So the electronics section is pretty sparse. They do have this DVD combo unit. It's not a recorder. They only want $5, but I think I'm gonna pass. If it was a Sony, I'd probably pick it up. There's no remote either. Also, the Sony record player has no stylus, so that's no good. And my phone does not work in here. I can't look up comps, so I'm kind of picking blind. I've sold that one before. It's pretty good. So like I said, phone doesn't work here, but I'm going to grab these few things, take it a chance. I only want $2.99 for this Black Hill single stitch Made in USA Screen Stars tag. Oh, I found this cool Disney shirt. It's like sparkly. I only want $2.99 for it, and it's from the park, so that's pretty good. Found this Dale Earnhardt Competitor's View. It's like a button-up short sleeve shirt. $4.99 for it. Not made in USA, but still pretty old. In really good condition. And then this Helly Hansen's like a base layer. Helly Hansen's a pretty good brand to pick up. They only want $2.99 for it. So grabbing that stuff. Not a bad stop at the Oakland, Maryland Goodwill. Place was super clean and nice. You guys saw everything I got. I think the Tiger Woods game will actually pay for everything. Spent $25. But now we're actually exploring downtown Oakland, Maryland, and they actually have a train museum. It's pretty cool. Right next to a river too. Real neat place. Unfortunately, the museum is closed, but at least we get to look at the trains. We drove across the mountain, and where are we now?
Uniontown, Pennsylvania.
Uniontown, Pennsylvania. Pro Player embroidered Pittsburgh Penguins. Made in USA. $3.99. Single stitch. Looks brand new. Yep. Alright, so we found this Adidas like warm-up jacket. It's got a number on it and a name on the back. New tags. Couldn't find any comps that are sold. Somebody's asking $60 for one, and theirs doesn't have a number or a name, so maybe this was team issued. Might be worth more. I'm not sure. They want $10 for it. I think I'm gonna take a chance.
I just found this and it sells for $37. The thing is there's no price tag, but I think my dad wants it.
Alright, so this Penn State 1979 Sugar Bowl Adidas. That looks legit. Made in the USA. I have no idea what that is worth. But it's amazing. You think it's really from the Sugar Bowl from 1979?
Maybe.
I mean, look at that tag. Yeah, that's awesome. Getting that. Alright, so that Goodwill stop was definitely interesting. I'm excited about the 1979 Penn State Sugar Bowl jacket. Not sure if it's legit yet, but now it's time for an adventure because we let the 12-year-old pick out this restaurant, Maloney's Restaurant in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. Been here since 1950 something. Definitely a cool sign. 1950. Check it out. Alright, so the Italian joint from 1950 was definitely pretty good. Someone did a good job on that. And we also found a Salvation Army around the corner to burn off some calories. This place is huge. I've never seen a Salvation Army this big. It's ginormous. So this Salvation Army is color coded. You got yellow, pink, red, purple, green. It's like a rainbow of hard goods. Very interesting. So this whole giant store, and this is the electronics section. Kind of sparse. This is probably fake, but for $1.99, I'm gonna try it. Here's another one, FootJoy Tour XP. They want $20 for it, but check out comps, 60, 70, 80. There's one for 70. Brand new, this one sold for $169. So if I can get 60 or 70 for it, I think it's gonna work out. But it's extra large, might be a keeper. It's in perfect condition. Picking it up. Okay, this is amazing. $29.99, which seems high for this, but it's waxed cotton, oilcloth, whatever you want to call it. And bam, CC Filson, made in the USA. Gotta look that up, but I know it's going to be worth it. That's awesome. And there's your comps. There's none listed. 2 sold. One sold for $325. One sold for $200. Mine's a size 48, just like that. That is a great pickup. It's in decent condition too. The wool collar has a couple holes in it, a couple moth bites, but that's a score regardless. In any condition, Filson is a pickup. That might be the biggest find of the trip, the CC Filson hunting jacket. Not in perfect condition, but when I find them, they never are, but they still sell. Last one that sold at auction sold for $325, and there's none listed, so got some pretty high hopes. But either way, that was a good stop. West Virginia, day 5, and another pepperoni roll. Had to try this one from the gas station, but we're actually traveling again today. Gonna hit up Seneca Rocks, the Green Bank Observatory, and then we'll be in Lewisburg, which is a pretty big town, so we'll catch up to you then. Almost forgot, I actually found a yard sale. It's right over here across the street from us. This guy is just selling chairs. Like, that's it. That's his inventory, is folding chairs. But I asked the lady in the gas station what he was doing, and sure enough, he's having a garage sale for chairs. So first West Virginia garage sale, nothing for me to buy. We spotted a real garage sale, and we were actually next to Green Bank Observatory, so there is no cell phone service anywhere in this town. So anything I see, I'm gonna be flying blind. Probably get that for $10, but I don't think I am. How much is your hat?
What do you give me for it?
$2? Is that fair? Out in the middle of nowhere, Kayla finds a thrift store. be interesting. Okay. Okay. Hey, how are you? Shirts $2, flannel shirts $2.50, hats $1. Can't beat the prices. So I thought the shoes were going to be $3.50 a piece, but she only charged me $3.50 for the Ultas and $10 for the Brooks. Couldn't look up comps for either one, but I think we're going to do pretty good. I know the Ultas are worth a pretty good bit of money, and both of them look brand new, so not a bad stop. As you can tell, we're in the middle of nowhere. All right, so we made it to Lewisburg, West Virginia, where we're staying for 2 nights, and we came across your favorite store, the Goodwill. Let's check it out. Your favorite store, right?
No.
Why not?
If you want to go swim in it. Because it smells bad.
But
Goodwill people, please, make it smell better.
Okay, so she wasn't really wrong about that. That Goodwill did kind of stink, but only because we didn't find anything, not because it smelled bad. But we actually spent the next day and a half exploring Lewisburg, West Virginia. They have a cool walkable downtown with a lot of historical sites. We went to Lost World Caverns and saw stalactites and stalagmites and walked a ton. And we also went to Tudor's Biscuit World. If you don't know, that is a West Virginia institution. I swear there's like one in every small town, and it's like Chick-fil-A. There's always a line, but it was really good. And I mean, they have a bologna sandwich called the Politician, so you know it's got to be pretty cool. But is it actually worth it to do this thrifting thing on vacation? Let's break down the numbers. So in total, we spent $296.54 between all the thrift stores that you saw in these past 2 videos. And that represented about 8 hours worth of thrifting during our 6-day trip. So it really didn't cut into our vacation time a whole lot. Total potential sales from that cost, you're looking at $1,830, and that's a conservative estimate. So far, I've actually sold $860 worth of stuff. A big part of that CC Filson jacket. It actually sold in a couple of days for $330. That was a win. Now, if we deduct some fees, shipping, cost of goods, that kind of thing from the potential sales, you're looking at a potential profit of around $869. Not bad for 8 hours spent on vacation doing something that we love anyway. We would have went to thrift stores anyway, but I'm kind of glad we kept track of it. It definitely helped us pay for the trip. Didn't cover the whole thing, but it put a pretty big dent in it. So let me know what you think. Are you going to do some thrifting on your next vacation to offset the cost? Let me know if you do. I'd love to hear about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.